Hello everyone, Tony in my little studio, and I'm not one that's too big into unboxing videos without some demos, so we're going to do a bit of an unboxing. Actually, not exactly that. We are going to do some demo for some sounds. What I'm showing you tonight is the Yamaha MX49. This is a new synthesizer I've bought. Did a lot of research on it. A lot of reasons that I like it. Number one, I love the motif sounds, or motif, however people want to say that. It comes with 1,000 voices, 128 maximum polyphony, yes. And these one-touch stuff, layer splits and stuff, a lot of things have that. It comes with Cubase AI, which I've got to learn how to use again. I've been a cakewalk guy for a sonar for so many years, and now a lot of other various softwares too. So most of you know me as a guitar player. Not many people know that I am a keyboard player. Not a trained keyboard player. I sort of learned my keyboard from playing guitar. I applied the same knowledge I had from guitar to the keyboard. So we're going to see how this sounds. I'm going to show you what's inside the box. This is exactly how it came from Musician's Friend. It was not boxed inside of something as they usually are. So this came straight from Musician's Friend, just like this. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so what's inside the box? Well, we have the keyboard itself, which is very lightweight. I mean, I can pick this up with one hand. You can see here, it's not heavy at all, about 8 pounds, I think. And the action, I had some people were criticizing the action on this, but honestly, it feels about the same as any other synthesizer I've played in the past. Kind of like my old Roland D28, not D28. What was it I had? So yeah, it's not weighted at all, but it's very elegant looking. Everything seems very ergonomic. I know that, I've seen some of the videos to see how some of these transport things work over here and how it integrates with your computer software. It does come with a adapter here. I'll take that out of the box in a minute. It does come with the manual here. And we'll have to read over all this stuff, of course, and learn how things work. It's always a new adventure when you get a new piece of gear, particularly one that integrates with software. So here's your Yamaha online manual, it says, for the MX61, which is a 61 key version. I just got the 49 version because I don't think I need more than 49 keys to do the kind of things I'm going to do in the studio. And of course it does come with the Cubase AI6 integrated music production software. So interesting. I'm interested to see how this works. It's a DVD. You have to have a DVD in your computer to go ahead and install this. So the power supply is pretty tiny too. This is how it looks. Okay, 120 volts, 60 hertz. That's typical output 12 volt. All right, so we'll plug it up and see how it sounds. Okay, folks, now I'm going to admit I barely know what I'm doing here. I know how to play a little bit of keyboards. I'm basically just going to play on the white keys, though. I don't want to try to wow you with my playing at all. I cannot wow you with my playing, but I do want to try to wow you with some of the sounds here. That's the reason most people come to these videos, to see how it's going to sound. So here I have the Concert Grand. Hopefully you're able to see that. It looks like you can transpose down or up, like one at a time. Here we go, like a C to a D or to a D flat. It's like you can go down an octave too if you want to. Pretty nice. I am using a Yamaha sustain pedal that I bought at a local store. So there we go. Let's just move through some of these things. Let's go back up, I guess. I have to go back maybe up. Okay. So this looks like AP, acoustic piano. Here we go. Looks like I'm in piano mode here. Let's just kind of segue through some of these sounds, right? Maybe you do it here. Melloground. Am I in the program mode or not? Yes, I am. There's honky tonk. Monogram. You can hear the difference there, hopefully. Concert grand piano. Okay. Rock piano. Sorry I'm not any better than this, folks. At least you get the idea. Here's how the honky tonk sounds. Maybe I should go down an octave. Let's see what else we got here. Whoops. Okay, bowed keys. Kind of a tine sound there. 80s later or layer. Okay. Ballad stack. Trying to hit some dynamics here too. Piano back. Nice chorus sound. Piano and strings. Excellent. I like that. Okay, let's keep on going. Piano and choir. Rock grand. Argo grand. Aggro grand. Tacky. It's tacky, but I kind of like it. House piano. So there's a ton of pianos in here. Squashed. Old blues piano. It is kind of bluesy. 68. Interesting. CP 1979. Interesting. CP 70s chorus. Interesting. Journey. The real pan on that one. Not sure what some of these mean. So I guess we've been through the pianos. Here's the keyboards. Wow. Strange. R&B soft. There's lots of little panning sounds here, early 70s. I like that. Soft case. That's subtle. Again, it could be like something like Babe from Styx or something, couldn't it? Vintage case. Hard vintage. Sweetness, wonder what this is. That sounds like Styx to me. I don't know how to play Babe, but that could be the... Sounds like it could be that sound, doesn't it? Interesting. don't know how many of these maybe the same sounds, samples, just with different effects added to them. Cool. '83 Contempo. Sweet. I'm a terrible piano player, folks. I'll admit it. I'm just a guitar player. So you can see how it sounds. That's all I'm caring about here. Bell chorus. Vinyl EP. Huh. Check it out. You hear the crunch, that little hissy thing of a vinyl. Very retro. Okay.